Well, this room is such a mess now. I don't know how I've got so much crap.
Welcome to episode 4 of the Workshop Build series. In this video, I'm going to turn the messy back shed into a functioning wood store. But first things first, I need to clear out some of this rubbish. And make it accessible from this side. It's time for a bit of demolition.
Yep, I don't actually need this.
That would just be overkill. If you like my content, please be sure to hit the like button. And please consider subscribing so that you don't miss an episode. It's free.
Well, this room is such a mess now. I don't know how I've got so much crap. I just really don't know how this rubbish has accumulated. I just seem to be moving things from place to place, clearing out one room, making another look like that. I think I'm gonna have to fill up my little shed. Well, I've got to clear that little shed out first. It may look like what I did was move the stuff from the garden room before I turned it into a nice swanky workshop and dumped it all in the shed at the back. It might look like that, and that's because that's exactly what I did. Do I regret it now? Yeah. The place is finally tidy, mostly. Well, I thought I'd take a quick minute just to tell you what I've done. I've still got quite a few things to go on the walls, which are still quite sort of funky, nice things to put on the walls. I can't put some of those up until I've painted this back wall, and I can't paint the back wall until I've fixed this bit here. I've got some OSB, you probably saw, which I'm gonna fix this wall with. Then this is gonna be gym corner. All the gym stuff is here, nice little space there. Yeah, so other things are going to go on the wall as well. Can't be done right now, but all of this will get done soon. I'll show you the wood store as well, because that's really what this video is about, right? So here it is. Now in here, I've got a few bits of furniture board, some scraps of wood. It's still going to be a bit of a dumping ground. Things like the outdoor garden furniture cushions, which are going to have to be stored in here over winter. In summer, obviously, they can go outside. And the spaces underneath the tool storage I'm going to use to store wood. I've got pallet wood and things like that, as you saw outside. Yeah, so hopefully I can get this all tidy within the next couple of days, all sorted, everything fixed, painted, done. And then I can move on to actually making stuff, which is really exciting. As I was clearing out the back shed, I found these, which are the plastic things that go on the front of saws. It was pointed out to me quite rightly in the comments that the saws facing forwards, I could catch my hands on them, and it's a very, very good point. So better safe than sorry. I'm going to put these on the saws and make it safe.
So that's it. The workshop is finally looking like a workshop. No more storing wood outside. In here, it can stay dry. Thanks for watching.